Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Wix business email. So first is head over to wix.com and of course make sure that you're logged into your account. Next in this section, you can see here the business email section. So currently, I haven't put up any business email for my Wix account. Now to get started, click on the connect link. Now, for you to be able to set up your Wix business email, you must first connect a domain. So click on connect a domain button. And from here, type in your domain's URL. Then click on let's go button. So once done connecting your custom domain, head back to your Wix dashboard. And in the left panel, scroll down, click or hover your mouse on customers and leads, then click on business email. So from here, just click on the let's start button. Just type in a name for your newly created business email and the domain will automatically be the same with the domain that you connected on your Wix account. Then once done, just click on the continue button. So the next step is selecting a plan. So getting a business email and an online workspace requires for you to get the plan. And from here, you have an option to get the plus or standard or starter plan, varying from different prices, with starter being the cheapest and plus being the most expensive. To select a plan, click on the select button below the plan that you chose. You can also see here the inclusions of the plans. Just scroll down. Next is choose a billing cycle. It could be monthly or yearly. The price will depend on the plan that you chose. Then, once done, proceed by clicking on continue to check out. Now, here, the only thing that's left to do is, of course, add in your payment method to pay for the plan. You can pay through credit card or through PayPal. Just type in your payment methods details. If you chose credit card, of course, add in your credit card number, expiration date, CVV, your first name, and last name. And of course, add in invoice details. So you just have to enter your address, city, postal code, country, state, and phone number. You can also add company name, but it's optional. Then once done, head over and click on submit purchase. Once payment is done, your business email and online workspace will be ready for you to use. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!